In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Behance profile not showing. If your Behance profile isn't visible to other people, don't worry. This is usually caused by display or privacy setting, and the fix is very simple once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through the exact process clearly so you can make your profile visible again. First, go to the Behance website and land on the main homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This is the area where Behance lets you control how your account appears to others, including profile visibility and display preferences. If your profile is not showing publicly, this is the most important place to check. Once you're inside Settings, click on Privacy and Display. This section contains the controls related to how your Behance account is shown across the platform. Depending on when you're watching this, Behance may have updated the layout slightly, so if you don't immediately see the exact option in the same place, don't panic. The setting is still typically found under Display or Visibility-related options in this section. Now stay with me here because this is the key part. Inside Privacy and Display, click on Display, then look for Behance Visibility. This setting determines who is allowed to see your profile. If it's too restricted, your profile may not appear to other users the way you expect. When you find Behance Visibility, make sure the option is set to everyone. This is what allows your profile to be publicly visible so other people can find it and view it properly. If it's set to something more limited, that is likely the reason your profile is not showing. After selecting everyone, your profile should be visible to anyone on Behance. That's really all there is to it. This is a quick fix, but it makes a big difference, especially if you're using Behance to showcase your work, build your portfolio, or attract clients and collaborators. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment and refresh the page, since platform updates can sometimes take a little time to apply. But in most cases, adjusting this visibility setting solves the issue right away. And that's it. Your Behance profile should now be showing correctly.